if it's open, hopefully.
For the bigger fish on.
Baby rock bass. Nice. Got something playing with my worm here. Let's see what we can get. Come on, keep going. Still there. Still there. There we, yeah, I get something. There we go. Come on, what we got? Oh yeah, I think it's a catfish. Yeah, I got something. I got catfish. A catfish. Nice. That's what I thought it was. It took the worm so slowly. Nice. Nice little brown bullhead right there. That's cool. First one of the year. Hook free. Let's see if this thing will swim away. Alright, buddy. There you go. Hey, woo! Yeah, he's still lively. Here he goes. First catfish of the year. Just gotta rehook it or reworm it. We'll get that thing back out there. It's a big catfish, something. There we go. Holy shit. Oh, he came off, man. That was a good one. Damn, that's a good fish. Come on. There's gotta be something there. It's definitely a catfish toying with my worm here. Really? There's nothing there. I got something tugging on this. Oh, shit. Motherfucker. Nothing. Took my one. There's gotta be something there now. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's a good one. Guys, I got one. I got one. I got a good one. Holy cow, it's a good one. What the fuck is an eel? I got an eel. I got an eel. Oh my God, really? Look at this thing.
Is he electric?
No, it's not electric. That's a good size eel. Thing just swallowed my thing.
They swallowed it?
Yeah, man.
I'm
Look at this thing. Oh my
I
God.
need to take a picture of it. I can take a picture of it.
It's in my pocket. Come here.
Where is it?
Right in that pocket.
This pocket?
Yeah, right there.
Here's it.
Right here. This one. Click this button.
Feels like a catfish or something.
Wait. Ew, he feels like one of those little things you can like squeeze. He's like a stress ball.
Yeah.
Oh, he's so he's so cute.
Oh, it's got line wrapped around him.
Oh no. Dude, look, he's so slimy. But he does feel like a stress ball. You can just stop, don't slap me. Look at that, you two.
There you go. Get a picture. It's not.
Okay,
I'm
there.
not.
That is that one good.
I'm just gonna let it go. I can't get that hook out.
Well, you're gonna leave the hook.
I have to. It's stuck deep in it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mr. Eel. And there he goes.
He feels like a stress ball.
Oh look, I got something on yours. It's a little sunfish or something.
Ew. Ugly rat.
Oh, it's a rock bass.
Oh. Okay, so the next time they come here, we're gonna forget, but hit it. Done.
Big one broke my line.
I thought you got it.
No. Alright, there we go. Alright. That's my mama. Everything was slimy. It's only the second time. Yeah, I'm getting better. Hey, wash your feet. Alright. Make sure. Nothing else. Right. What? Yeah, please, get your fish bowl. Don't hurry. So that's the last thing over there. Allie, you got nothing else? Alright, well, go get yourself. I'm gonna go over there. Ella,